We are at U-Swirl Yogurt. We were supposed to go to the gym, but they closed at 7. So we're here. We ended up here at U-Swirl. In ano ba ito? Double Diamond, ma?
Double Diamond Parkway.
Double Diamond Parkway.
Yogurt is good for your bones, builds clear skin, great source of protein, keeps you healthy, good for your tummy, good for your waistline. How could that be good for your waistline?
Okay. It's done. We're done eating.
Finishing up.
And we bought donut at the other shop, but we didn't eat it here.
Ano yung bata nakatikwato?
Okay. Nung nakita ka. Nung nakita ka.